What is happening? I am
What are
Spice
you
from
doing
Robbo.
wandering around out here by yourself?
This is The Last of Us Part
Been
2.
restless.
And what I
You
didn't
too.
realise
Feel
was
like
that...
the farther south we go, the prettier it's gotten.
You want to keep going? Just drive all the way to Mexico?
Could
I've
do.
thought about it.
In that
See
last
Manny's
episode,
hometown?
it was like,
Yeah,
you know, almost like 30 minutes of just
Yeah, no, probably not.
cutscenes. There's not actually much that happens in like the start of this game. It's like I say, I'm kind of trying to take the mickey out of it a little bit because
You did all this in the dark?
Yes.
I know what I'm doing, I kind of know where I'm going. It's quite linear in terms of, you know, gameplay and stuff like that. It's quite straightforward, but I'm keep clicking
We keep
me
going like this.
pad.
We're gonna be tired for today's trip.
It's not that far.
Hey, is Mel okay? She seemed out of it these past few days.
She'll be fine.
You stop being weird, you're freaking me out.
I'm not being weird.
I mean, he is a little bit, but yeah. If you could just unlock sprint for
Careful
me.
jumping over these.
Oh my gosh. I feel like the first time I did this, I'd paid.
Are you breaking up with Mel?
What? No. You wish.
I've had my fill, thank you.
They used to be lovers. Oh, thank God.
You're gonna have to run to make it.
Oh my God, now you tell me. Nice work, Owen, you
I did it on
bear.
purpose. For your ego.
What sprint? L1.
Ouch.
I knew that.
We can't all
I could-
be as graceful as you.
Barely.
What is that?
You'll be fine.
It's too high.
Come on.
Hey, look at how scared she is.
Hey. Eyes on me. Abby. Stop looking down.
Abby suffers with fear of heights, which
Owen,
comes
we
to
have go
haunt her
back this
later.
way?
Consider it an opportunity to work on your fears.
How about I work my foot up your ass?
Abby,
I mean, that'd work.
stop flirting.
You wish. Don't we get into some hot water, like, very soon?
Is this it?
We made it.
Holy shit. It's a fucking city.
Yeah.
Have you told anyone else?
Wanted you to see it first. Saw an armed patrol go from town to an outpost over there. A few more outposts in between. They have electricity, guns.
Dogs.
A lot of people.
We can figure it out.
Okay. Assuming he's in there, how do we get to him?
We can corner one of the patrols and get confirmation, and then, I don't know, maybe find a way to lure him out.
Yeah, okay. Sure, they'll be happy to offer that information up.
With, like,
we
chocolate
make
or
them-
something like that, like sweets, and be like, oh no, Joel
hear
likes
yourself?
coffee.
Okay, what do you want to do? What is going on with you?
Mel's pregnant.
He's gonna be dead.
Oh. Okay.
It's not just that, though.
Should I say congrats?
When everyone else sees this, they're gonna want to turn back.
We can convince him, right? fucking knew I couldn't count on you.
Abby, I want what you want, but not at any cost. Hey.
Don't.
She's fuming at him.
See you back at the lodge.
Maybe you won't.
Fuck it.
Oof. Oof. Yeet. Please go. Yes. Thank God for that. Go straight in with a sprint.
I'll do the whole thing on my own.
So now, is that death? That way? Looks like it. Up there. Run and jump this gap. Parkour style. Yeet. Down the gap, left. Does it turn into a slide? No. And then under the log. Oh yeah, you can go prone. I forgot about that. Cool, man. Nice. I'm sure we have got a gun, and because
Pregnant.
I mean, that's not the weirdest thing, considering that's what happens when
Shit.
people are in long-term relationships, but yeah, he's long gone. And yes. What's reload? Okay, switch sides. That's spin round, circle. Punch is square. That's thingy triangle. Oh, I can't remember how to. I mean, it says I've got one bullet. I mean, I don't really need much more than that. I do have bullet time and infinite bullets on, so let's be honest, I am cheating my way through this. I think what I might do is do like one heal per section.
Oh shit.
Oh, hello. Pardon me. Do I just tap? Or do I press? Oh, press it and hold it. Idiot. It's mad that she didn't just like fall to bits. Triangle? No? Get off. That took a little bit more convincing than what I really wanted to do, but anyway. Here he comes. I missed. L1 to dodge. Alright. Oh, now I've got 10 bullets. My word. Is there a few of them? Just here. Nailed her in the shoulder. And in the face. Die quietly, please. Any more? Like, them shots are definitely loud enough to, like, bring attention to myself. I can see stuff moving. Oh yeah, this is just great. Oh yeah, I love it. And then this thing's gonna stand up and I can just pip him off nice and easy. Nice. Too much like light work, man.
Fuck. My shoulder.
Whee! Turn my light on. Oh, it's so good. Muscle memory just really like makes life so much easier. Is there someone in here? Someone I just can't. Oh, I've got to go underneath the house. What was the reload button? I press.
How do I get out of here?
Oh, I press the trigger and hold it. Nice. We go prone under here. And yeah, there's something pops out in us in a little second. Where is he? There he is. Hello. I mean, I couldn't actually see him then, to be fair. Can you crawl faster? No. Yep, reload. So reload's the trigger button. I knew it was something like that. I knew you had to like...
Where's that lookout?
Where's the lookout? There. That way. Through the house. 1. Should we take the heals? I'm not really going to use it much, but we will take it. Sorry if you can hear the rain currently battering the roof. I'm not even going to grab it. I'm just going to go. This is what we signed up for. This is what we want. Let's go. Any silly enemies out here?
Okay,
Okay, to the left.
it's gotta be close.
There's a window. Oh, maybe there isn't. Oh, it's through the gap there. Oh. Then again, maybe not. Do I go prone through the window? No, surely I'll like rip that open or something. X. Yeah. I knew it was something in there somewhere. So, that... So I do have me spider sensors, but to be honest, the actual need for them isn't really that high, because I'm just going to be kind of ruining everybody's day as best as I can. Hello. Another one? There's normally 2 in here. There he is. Hello. Goodbye. Onwards. Fuck, I'm lost. Up and over.
Shit.
Through the cars. Hello. I think there's 3 out here. Oh man, those bullet times, so much fun. So sick. I don't even have to worry about it. It's just like, oh, and then I didn't. This is great. Why did I never play like this before?
The weather's getting bad. Where's the road?
Oh yeah, she can like do like a full dive forwards, can't she? Let's just slide very gently in between these 2 cars. Up or down?
Where's the patrol?
Well, that was... Except for the one enemy that, you know, beat us up a little bit. Excuse me. That was a pretty clean interaction. I'd say I've progressed well further than probably what I would have thought on my other games. Again, I'm sorry if you can hear like the rain
Come on.
like battering the roof.
This way. Right behind you.
Can the horse sprint?
Do you miss being with him?
Yes.
With Jesse? No. Been together for so long. Look, Jesse's great. I love his parents. They will always be family, but we were just on autopilot.
Hey, how come we never talked about this stuff?
I don't know. It didn't feel... You never really talked to me about Kat.
Yeah, 'cause there isn't much to talk about.
Yow.
I got the impression that you didn't really like her.
I don't care about her one way or the other.
Okay.
No, I think she's a talented artist. I've grown to like that tattoo of yours.
Well, that's so big of you.
And I think she wasn't right for you.
Interesting.
Shut up.
Okay.
What you were instead? Dina.
Let me
Dina.
tie Shimmer up here.
I don't think there's anything major that happens in
Hey.
this little section. We find a
You want to see
bong
something
and
spectacular?
You're gonna put it in your face, aren't you?
Nothing is that
Yeah.
spectacular.
Oh,
there's
brother.
nothing in
Come
here.
on, stupid.
Oh, is that like a viewpoint? I don't think there's anything on this side. Yeah, I'm not staying here for this. This is not what this playthrough is about.
Come look at this.
That's where we escaped through later. This is just a room. There's nothing in here except for whatever that is. Oh gosh. We moved this out of the way. Dina? Oh, we do have to go and... Damn. Look, there's our little quiet little mountain town.
What do you think of this view, huh?
It's pretty nice.
The sun is shining and the grass is
Yeah,
green.
this route has its perks.
Where do we sign in?
Oh my god, yeah, kill the mood.
Come on.
Fuck. Who do you used to do this route with? Jesse?
Eugene.
Eugene.
Right. Oh, Eugene. Man, he was funny.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, in.
He taught me about rewiring electronics and stuff.
May we all be that sharp at 73.
May we all make it to 73.
X. Gonna give it to you. What? Wait for you to get it on your own.
Sign us in.
What was this
So
place?
there's,
It used to be a radio tower.
I don't think there's much in here. There's like, no. I think we find.
No sign of
is-
infected.
Is it in here?
Or non-infected, for
No.
that matter.
I'm
See you in a
convinced there was
storm,
like a
couple miles
bong
out.
or something knocking around in here. Or was it on the table in here and I've just walked straight past it? Ashtray? No. Okay, whatever. Or maybe we sign in and the Dina finds it. Yep, sign in.
And there.
Come here. Town up ahead's our last stop. Take a look.
Yeah, and then
Here's the
like
town. With the
we get to go
big
to-
tower thing.
Yep, that's where the next lookout is.
but we get
Got
to
a
go to that
supermarket?
shop.
Yeah, we'll pass that on our way into town. Let's get back to the horses. Question. Were you
Answer.
wearing those same clothes yesterday?
They're clean. No judgment. It's patrol, you know. We're here to kill infected, not to look fancy.
Still look nice.
Hey, she's flirting. Stop that. Stop flirting with me. People will start talking about us again.
Come on.
Oh, thank God we can actually get moving a little bit now. So there's a couple of little houses and stuff up ahead. I'm not even
I
going to
think we
stop
should
to...
go out like Eugene.
From a stroke?
No, from old age.
I'm not even going to
Living
stop
a
to
long
rummage
life.
around in them because there's nothing
No
in them
way,
except
come
for
on.
like a
You're
couple
way
of
too
playing
reckless.
cards, and there's no
Look who's talking.
I'm not getting them. I've already collected them. I'm not going to bother.
Thermia from wearing canvas sneakers in the snow.
I am wearing boots today. You know what, you're gonna die?
Let me guess. You're gonna kill me?
No. Maybe. Fuck you.
Yep, straight through, nice and easy.
Hey, should we check these houses out?
No,
Seems quiet, but we can if you want. I bet they still got supplies.
no. To the shops, please. To the action.
Fuck. The temperature dropped.
Is this the shop already? Surely not.
Easy going. Oh, shit. What the fuck? Smell. Looks like infected did this.
Big arm
How long do you think
moose.
it would take to bring down a moose?
More than one. Where the hell are they?
Let's go find him.
Let's go and find them. So straight away, let's reload. And then craft a little silencer. Because I've got cheats on. Duh, of course. So yeah, I'm only allowed to... Okay, I'm not going to craft more than one of them. Because obviously I can only heal myself once per... I want to say like... I don't know. Encounter, let's say. So, yeah, let's get a shift on. Just equip. Do I already have that? Can I craft a silencer for this? No. Okay. Well, I've got a silencer for
Shit.
me pistol anyway, so.
I hear
Yeah,
some
definitely
inside.
infected inside. So I'm just going to jump straight over this window and, you know, start kicking ass. Basically. Let's have a little listen here. Hello. Oh, proper ugly. Yep. Good night.
It's down.
Thank you for your service.
That's one.
Um,
Let's see if we can get around to the back of the supermarket.
does that door lead to anything?
Good
No,
idea.
it's locked. Press and hold. Into the shop. Oh, hello. Quick strike. And strike. Oh, whoa.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay,
Nice throw,
fair
by
enough.
the way.
Thanks.
The way we came in was barricaded. How'd that runner get in here?
Yeah.
Through window.
That's a good question.
What's the most
Empty.
infected you've ever taken down on patrol?
It's gotta be the one I had with Joel a year or so ago. It was like, I don't know, a dozen?
Don't want to lift it up here.
You?
Cleared about 20 once. There was a group passing through. Fuck.
Oh, through. Obviously, up this bit. That
Maybe we'll get you a new person.
says me trying to like.
Dina, this way.
Excuse me. Sir. Excuse me. Sir. Oh. Excuse me, excuse me. Yeah, silencer. We're gonna keep in the stealth. Is the. Yep. Excuse me. Sir, excuse me. Excuse me. Is this a clicker or just a run? Oh. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Oh. Dina's in trouble. Hello? Sir? Oh, okay. Excuse me, sorry, excuse me. Is that it?
That all of them?
Yep.
Yeah. Looks like it.
We've still got to get the ones in the supermarket.
Let's
Yep.
keep circling the building. There's gotta be a way in.
Just a little reload there. Still got to take out the ones in the supermarket. We climb up somewhere and climb up and out. I'm looking for something obvious. I feel like it's something to do with this. Triangle? Or, oh, boosting up here. Yeah, okay.
Ellie, help me up there.
Sure,
Want to look around.
triangle.
Alright, go ahead.
Come on. Yeet. Oopsie daisy. And then, do I go underneath the van?
There's a hole in the roof over there. Here.
Oh. I do go underneath. I'm literally right here. Oh. I was wondering what she was doing then.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Look. See?
Yep.
Alright.
I do.
Let's figure out how to get in there.
And then
Under here.
there's a little jump scare. Hello. Very angry. Very red in the face. Point
Ellie?
break there. Just like,
Are you clean?
Yeah.
yes, thanks very much. I've just
banged
cleaned
up.
myself up in the snow.
Please die of old age and not because you get infected. I
Little
really
does
don't
she
want to have to
know.
shoot you in the face.
Deal.
Cool.
Oh, I've reloaded. So that's not the way we're going. I think we need to climb up onto this thing. Nope, clearly not. Is it in the boxes? Nah, surely not. No. Am I being obtuse? Is it something obvious
See
that
any
I'm
way
not
to that
seeing?
roof?
I'm not sure.
Oh, we run and jump. That's the one. There we go.
This way.
And
I'm
then
in.
somewhere in here, there's a picture on a wall of an employee of the month, and it's a dog.
Me too. Should we check for supplies?
Nah. Got as many as we need. Do we just move that out the way? Oh, we have to check for supplies. Damn. Thank you. Now can we move this out the way?
Hey,
Oh,
got some alcohol.
Couple of rags. Here. Fix yourself up.
oh, okay. Do I have to, like, forcibly patch myself up? Fair enough. Craft a health kit. Use... I'm guessing. Yeah. Okay, so that's my one
I see
heal
spores in
for
there.
this encounter.
Masks on.
Got it.
And let's go.
Remember, I don't want to have to shoot you in the face.
Oh, that's so sweet.
It's not me you need to worry about, baby girl.
All these spores mean they've been here for a while. Keep your eyes peeled for older infected. Yep.
Is this part of the supermarket?
I don't know.
Oh yeah,
think
let's
we're
cut through
above
this
it.
gap here. Yeah. July 2013. The employee of the month was a dog. I mean, I get it. I understand. You know, you can't help being the goodest boy. And if that reflects into the fact that, you know, you're employee of the month 1 month, so be it.
Shit. Ellie!
Get that off me. Because here comes Cutie now. Hello. Pull the trigger. And again.
Holy fuck.
I'm gonna have 4 million clickers on you. But it's fine. Do you know why? Because we have this. Dun, 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 dun. Bam. Chippin'. 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 That is a lot of fun, I've got to admit. That makes things very, very funny. Slow-mo, man. It's so good. I think I'm really going to enjoy this playthrough. Well, I've just enjoyed this playthrough even more because look at what's going on. The game is broken. I guess we're moving this out the way. Restart checkpoint 2 minutes ago. Yes. I was not expecting it to be in the spaceman outfit.
Dina, will help. Coming.
Oh my god, that has made me laugh. Oh, that was well worth it. Oh my gosh, that was well worth it. Right. There's a Molotov on the floor
Make you a
somewhere.
present. I'll take a present.
Yeah, just there. Oh my god, I can't believe he stood there. Oh, I'm gonna have to throw one of my Molotovs so that she can give that one to me.
Ellie.
Oh, have I broke the game? Damn. Oh. Why can't I... Oh. Gosh dang it. I think I broke the game again.
Here.
Oh, I can just progress.
Thanks.
Oh. Nice.
Careful
Put
with
away,
that.
it's a Molotov. We
Pro.
established the fact that we've got them. And now, it's time to use them. Bam. Bam. Oh my, on fire. And then... Oh my god, that is so much fun. Wait there, Nelly. Hang on a minute, hang on a minute, you're on fire. Is that him? One more? Whoa, yeah there is. Yikes. And I'm missed. Oh, I'm gonna have to like dodge, dive and dodge now. Excuse me, excuse me. Nice, got him. Well. Holy
Are you still
cow.
moving? Nope.
I thought she was going to take the
You know what?
space helmet off then.
I'm impressed with us. Yeah. Man, the guys are not gonna believe our numbers.
Okay,
Hey,
let's go to the next lookout and take a fucking break. We earned it.
yes, we have.
Agreed.
Where's the rope?
Do you see a way out?
Could we use... Well, we could have used the whole space to, like... Yeah, the only way out is up, but there's a rope on the floor somewhere. Oh, there it is. Can I not pick that up? Does Gina not point out to this to the roof? Can I not pick this cable up? Hello? Yeah, make your way over here and then trigger something. It's got to be that cable on the floor, hasn't it? Because you got to throw it over. Or is it closer? No, man. Why have we got like... Oh. Okay. That's why. I hadn't broken the game. I just hadn't done what I was supposed to, basically.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do. You're just gonna hurl me up through that hole in the roof.
Okay.
Nope. I'm gonna get this cable
Cable here.
and throw the cable over the vent.
There we go.
Mate, I don't know what that is, but she is so strong just being able to just lift that whole unit.
That should hold us. Get over.
First time.
Okay, that's good. Here I go.
Go, go, go. Climb, climb, climb. Seriously, just the fact that I reloaded and she stood there in a space outfit's just the best.
Careful when you get up here.
Good.
It's pretty windy.
Honestly. Because Abby's got something. Abby's got like a variant.
Over here.
Are we just jumping straight over? Yeah, Abby has a variant set of clothing on as well.
Storm's really picked up. How far are we from the lookout? It's just past the next town. Following you.
Come on, let's get a shift on. And then
Hey, how far away are we? A few minutes out. Okay.
and then we lose Gina Momina in the storm somewhere in a second. She like dusts these into
Getting
the
worse.
woods.
Turn back. We won't make it. We're almost there.
We are.
I know,
Come
girl.
on.
I know. Keep going.
Yeah, she's failed now, so
Dina, how
just
much
gonna try
further?
and follow her tracks a little bit, I guess.
Dina.
And the horse just doesn't want to go any faster.
Dina.
Gina Momina, where have you gone?
Dina, where are you?
Oh, Dina, where are you?
Dina.
Yeah, she bailed.
Fuck.
can't even remember if she like jump scares you and just like appears like in a flash and it's just like, oh look, there's my tracks from before.
Dina! Ellie! Where are I can see you! Ellie!
There she is.
God! Come on! This way! Where are we going? Just trust me!
Okay. Oh. Oh yeah, the owl live lob. Can we park the horses inside? Yeah, get the horses out of the wind, man. Flipping shit all over the books. Nice. Yeah. You're out of the wind now, winch
Look
bag.
at the door.
Nice.
You been here?
Rode by it. Never came inside.
All right, let's make sure it's clear.
And we will do that on the next episode. So I am Spice from Robbo. This is the Last of Us Part 2. And I am making an absolute mockery of the game, or at least I'm trying to, in my spacesuit with my slow-mo and my unlimited crafting on. So please stick with us. If you think this is ridiculous, then let me know, because I'm fairly certain I'm in agreement with you, because honestly, oh, I wonder if they've got like a Court of Rose and Thorns in here. We could have a little read of it, little ACOTAR. Yeah, no, it won't be in non-fiction or history. It'll be in saucy fantasy fiction. Getting closer. Maybe on the other side. Anyway, I'm Spice from Robbo. Take care, yeah?